How to join Google Meet with link on phone. So what you have to do is to first go and then select where you have the link. So mine is on WhatsApp. It was sent to me through WhatsApp message, and then come and then long press on the link and then come and then copy it. Okay, so after copying the link, as you can see, it has been copied. Simply locate the Google Chrome on your phone, okay, and then come and then tap on it to open. So from Google Chrome, come and then search for Google Meet, okay, Google Meet just like this, and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Google Meet by pressing on it, and then come and select the email address that you want to use to go for the meet, okay. And then from the meet, you see that we have new meeting, and then we have join with the code. Simply come and then tap on join with the code, and then come right here, okay, and then come and then paste the link right here by wrong pressing on it and then tap on paste, and this is the link that has been pasted. Now all that you have to do is simply locate the join and tap on the join, and over here you have the option to mute your camera and then your microphone, okay, so you can come and then allow it on so that you can use your camera and the microphone, and then simply come down here and then come and then tap on ask to join, and all that you have to do is simply wait so that anybody within the meeting will allow you. Mostly is the admin will allow you, and then you will start the meeting. Like the video and then see you in my next video.